Say something funny.
Pudding.
That's not even funny.
Or is it? It's delicious.
Trevor, your face is scaring me right now.
Why am I scared?
Ew, stop! Oh my gosh, we should do like how the Vlog Brothers do now, they'll like vlog to, or at first they were vlogging to communicate with each other.
Yeah,
We could do that when you were in Chicago.
I know. I've actually been thinking about this.
Are you serious?
Yeah, this sounds like a good idea.
Action.
Lights.
Camera.
Action.
You weren't supposed to say it again, we already said that.
Oh.
Take 2. Action.
Lights.
Camera.
Action.
Trevor!
I can't help it.
Don't say it. We don't say it twice. Oh, shoot. Take 3. Action.
Lights.
Camera. Go. Trevor, who realized we have pretty much the same haircut?
We do not.
We kind of actually do. Like, if you... Trevor, you're moving this all around. It's making it look trashy. Okay, go like this. If I just move my bangs down, look at the camera.
My hair is shorter than yours.
It's not even anymore. We have the same haircut.
Your hair is longer than mine.
Trevor, look it.
Okay, carry my back. It's still like, feel the back of my head.
Trevor, I'm talking about the front right now.
Okay, the front. You still
Look at
have
us.
long.
We have the same hair.
We don't.
Trevor.
You're crazy for liking.
Boo, shut your mouth.
Okay. Sorry.
That shit cray.
Third, you say that shit cray.
No, I say dat shit cray.
You say that shit cray.
That shit cray. That doesn't make me crazy.
Yeah, it does.
No.
A little bit.
It makes me ghetto.
Not ghetto. Second of all,
Come here.
the dog thinks you're talking to her.
Oh, sorry, Daffy. Go over there. Trevor, what do you want for your birthday?
I don't know. Why?
I was just thinking about it.
Okay, well, I really appreciate a hug and kiss. Oh, like material.
If I gave you just a hug and a kiss for your birthday, I don't think you'd be very happy with me.
I might be. I don't know. I want some new clothes, you know. I want to get a new sports car because, you know, replace my old sports car. Oldsmobile. Yeah, you know, maybe, you know, a boat.
Okay.
Can you afford a boat?
Totally.
Because I just want to be able to cruise places in my boat.
Okay, can you give me like an honest answer? Well, oh my gosh. Maybe I am crazy.
I just like making faces.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, maturity. Carrie,
Yeah?
I really like you, even though you cry.
Well, thanks.